Mr. Burns.
Yep.
We're over here on Aaron's Lexus. Got to put a fuel pump in it.
SC3. I'm just kidding.
400. 400. All right, so getting ready to do the old pumpy pump and the Humpty Hump.
Do the Humpty Hump.
Yeah. Let's get this out of the way as well, because I think we need to get our filler neck loosened up as well from the body, so we can at least pull this out to get to our pump. Easy peasy though. Looky boys. You want my tool? It's the chingus.
I don't need your tool. I got my own tool.
Yours was a hood though.
Oh my god.
All right, we'll be back.
All right,
I
guys.
can smell it.
Well, we had to crack the fuel line on the bottom and
It's stinky.
nasty. You okay over there, Scotty?
I don't even want to be in the shop.
Yeah, we might want to turn the fan on and blow that out because we're gonna get all special.
Just wait until it's done.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
But yeah, that's a quick little update. We'll pull the tank back. Let's pull the tank out. Change the nice little fuel pump. And get this bad boy. Hey!
We're discussing.
I understand, but I'm trying to do a video. You guys are up here.
Would you like?
And I kind of need you guys down here a little bit. No, I don't care about that. Too hairy for me. Anyway, I guess I'll finish up this video.
All right. So, in order to remove the tank, there's that banjo bolt there, and then there's two more over on the other side that we need to disconnect. Luckily, we pretty much finished draining it now. So, we get that out, get the other two out. All right. There's our other two banjo cord lines. So that makes 3. Now remember, there's crush washers on both sides of the banjo bolts, which we will address that upon reassembly. But for the most part, the tank is drained. It smells like stinky gas in here. And there's 2 there. And there's the other 2. Alright. We can now bring the car back. So now that we got the tank already loose, bolts are
I see
out,
what you mean.
connectors are out,
How'd you get to that?
getting that sub, we might have to jump in there, pop that cover off in the back, and just kind of get that to wiggle a little bit to go up.
Or take the spare tire out.
But we might be able to pivot around it. Get a little wiggle just for fun. Oh, you're pulling out the spare first?
Yeah, let me pull the spare out, man.
Burnsy's pulling out with a rubber. Yeah, right. Alright, so he's gonna get a tire out.
Huh?
Now, if you're just doing the pump in a car that has fresh gas and was driven daily, you can pull the tank, or not the tank, the back seat, and there's access. But we want to make sure this is cleaned out and nice because, well, it's got gas from like, what, 2018 in it? That's the last time it was tagged anyway.
Yeah.
And that stuff smells
let's say
pretty bad.
2019. It's 5 years old. It's old.
Yeah, so, alright, we're going to pull this out this way carefully. I'll keep an eye over here. You got it, Mr. Burns?
Yes, Poppy.
Ooh, he called me Poppy. On camera. Oop. I got your long shaft, big boy. I'm holding it. Up.
Hold on.
I know.
Get a better grip.
Bowling ball grip. And tank is out.
Oh, boy.
Sir?
Mama.
My mama will come beat you.
Mama loves me. She'll beat you first.
That's true. Alright. Careful. Now he's handling that. There are crush washers here that we're going to have to pull. We talked about. But you have little big crush washers on that, so not a big deal. Ooh, a little tappy bang bang. Ooh, tappy bang
A
bang.
little bit.
Just a little kiss. A little smooch. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey guys. This isn't good. That's corrosion from condensation. I think Aaron needs to see this video before we go further. That's bad. Okay, so Aaron, we need to have a little meeting on this, I think, before we go further. Yeah.